Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. And today, as you can see, let's turn the light on here. We're in the Maserati Granturismo. Now this is a 2011 model. Okay, now last year we were going to do a trip around Europe. It's about 2,500 miles we did in the end. And obviously listening to foreign European radio stations is not brilliant, so we wanted to use our phones and stream music from them. Now the factory head unit does have Bluetooth, however you can only use your phone for calls. You can't stream music from it. So what I did, I had a look around Google and everyone was recommending a system called Bovi. Now at the time there was none in the UK and they were nearly £100. So I took a punt on this. So this is called Ugreen. I got it off Amazon for under £13 and it's just a Bluetooth audio receiver. As I say, I fitted this in August and it worked a treat. So let me just show you how to install it. It's very, very simple. So go to your glove box and you see this here. So you have a USB port and a mini jack socket. Now this logo here is very important. If you don't have this logo, you probably won't be able to do this. The unit consists of this. It's literally the mini jack plugs in there, and the USB is obviously for the power, and that just plugs into there like that. And then you just tuck the cable in the glove box and away you go. The source should be aux, so I'm just going to connect my Android phone. Okay, so you can see in there my Bluetooth is connected to Ugreen. So I'm just going to find some. Right, so I just had some non-copyright music off YouTube. And you can hopefully hear that's playing through the stereo. So that's a very cheap and very easy way to get Bluetooth music streaming from your mobile phone or tablet into your Maserati Granturismo. Of course, once you're streaming your phone, you can use Amazon Music or Spotify, wherever you get your music from, podcasts, etc. I hope that video was useful. If you want to see how I install this USB port, click up here. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like and think about subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.